Rainmaster is proud to bring you remote connectivity to your irrigation controllers with our new Cloud Connect offering. With the free Rainmaster Cloud Connect option enabled, users can now control their DX3 controllers with the ProMax Connect smartphone app, available for both Android and iOS devices. All that is required is an internet connection to the irrigation controller via cellular, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. Better yet, Rainmaster now offers 10 years of cellular data included with the price of a cellular option. Connecting your irrigation controller from the field or comfort of your living room is now easier than ever. Let's start by showing how easy it is to connect. If you are a first-time Cloud Connect user, you will need to call Rainmaster Technical Support to get your cloud credentials, including your organization ID, username, and password for both Laguna and the ProMax Connect smartphone app. Next, at the controller, we have to select the Cloud Connect communication type. Press Setup, then Communication. The Cloud Connect option must be either cellular, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. To verify the controller is connected to the cloud, simply return to the dashboard screen and locate the Cloud Service message in the upper right corner. These words will be visible anytime your controller is connected to the cloud. Now, move to the Laguna Central Computer. Let's confirm that a port has been set up for Cloud Connect in the port settings. Go to Setup, Port Settings. Change the communication type to Cloud Connect and click OK. Now, navigate to Central System, Options, and select the Cloud Connect tab. On this form, you must enter your cloud credentials provided by Rainmaster Customer Support. Be sure to save, then validate your credentials. If your network has firewall restrictions that prevents validation, please contact Customer Support for assistance. Next, set the controller communication type to Cloud Connect. Go to Setup, Controller, and select Cloud Connect for communications. Communication setup between the central and controller is now complete. Let's confirm. Go to Manual Operations, Blue Panel. Select the Cloud Connect enabled DX3 controller and click the Refresh button. If the controller connects and the screen refreshes, Cloud Connect communication has been established. Now that the communication is set up properly, let's get the app working. First, download the ProMax Connect app from the iOS or Android App Store. After installing, launch the app. You will be prompted to log into the ProMax Connect app. Enter the username and password given to you by Rainmaster Customer Support and press Login. Upon successful login, ProMax Connect provides all the features and more than the maintenance handheld remote with essentially limitless range. Let's break the app functionality down. The site dashboard lists the controllers associated with your organization. Select a controller by tapping it. The controller dashboard shows what is happening with the selected controller. Activities like active station or programs, real-time flow readings, alerts, and rainhold status are displayed here. The ProMax Connect app allows the users to manually start and stop both stations and program operations, including stop all watering. Multiple stations and programs can be activated. Alerts can be reviewed and cleared. Diagnostic options can be activated and stopped. These include an all-station test, where you can activate all stations sequentially for a specified period of time, and a syringe function. The syringe operation activates stations sequentially with individual runtimes. It is basically a one-time program operation. And lastly, rainholds can be manually initiated and ended. As you can see, the ProMax Connect app packs a ton of functionality to make managing your irrigation needs that much more convenient and easy. Besides ease of use for the end user, The Rainmaster Cloud Connect option also allows our trained customer support specialist to access your controller to assist with advanced programming questions, firmware updates, and more. In this way, Cloud Connect truly enhances your irrigation management productivity. That concludes Rainmaster's Cloud Connect video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the Rainmaster YouTube channel to receive updates on future video releases for Laguna software.